Raymond Saudi Arabia Limited has operated in the pipeline service business in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and throughout the Middle East for more than 30 years. The company draws upon the experience and expertise of the Raymond International Group, which has a century-long track record of success as a worldwide leader in engineering, construction, operations, and maintenance. Raymond's Pipeline Services Group offers comprehensive pipeline cleaning, lining, fabrication, and installation services, as well as a range of in-situ pipeline refurbishment techniques. The Raymond Centriline process is used for the application of cement mortar lining to the internal surface of ferrous metal pipes. The lining prevents corrosion whilst providing optimum hydraulic characteristics for the water pipeline system. Pipes, fittings, and prefabricated spools are cement mortar lined at Raymond plants located in the eastern and western province of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. At strategically located plants on the Arabian Gulf Coast near Jubail and the Red Sea coast near Jeddah, Raymond can line and store thousands of kilometers of pipes in diameters ranging from as small as 75 millimeters up to pipe sizes 4 meters in diameter. Pipes in lengths of up to 24 meters are received, inspected, offloaded, and stacked in horizontal rows, segregated by diameter, steel grade, and wall thickness, and other specific requirements of the client. It is essential for pipes to be thoroughly and efficiently cleaned to remove rust and mill scale prior to the application of the cement mortar lining. Raymond employs a number of different cleaning methods depending on the size of pipe and degree of cleaning required. Internal grit blasting can efficiently remove rust and mill scale in pipes which have been kept in storage for long periods. Mortar mixtures are custom designed to provide corrosion protection, taking into account the chemistry of the water being transported through the pipeline. Mortars which incorporate Portland cement with additives such as microsilica fume provide a design life of the pipeline of up to 80 years. Mortar using calcium aluminate cement with synthetic aggregates can combat the aggressive nature of seawater, brine solutions, sewage, and oil field formation water. Once a pipe has been thoroughly cleaned, a lining of mortar mixture, rich in cement, is applied using either air or electric-powered lining machines. The mixture can either be pumped to the lining machine or fed into via powered buggies, similar to mining carts. The lining is propelled against the pipe wall through a rotating head which spins at a constant speed. The lining machine is simultaneously withdrawn, also at a constant speed, to ensure that the mixture is sprayed evenly and uniformly throughout the pipe. The actual thickness of the mortar can be preset to meet the specific requirements of the client. To complete the process, trolling mechanisms follow up to ensure that the lining mixture has a smooth finish. Centriline can handle a vast range of sizes, from distribution pipelines of only 75 millimeter diameters up to transmission pipelines or tunnels as large as 4 meters in diameter. Pipe can be cement mortar lined from end to end of pipe, or an internal cutback can be scribed at each end of the mortar removed after the lining is cured so that the pipeline installation contractor can easily fabricate field welding. In situ lining equipment can be used after welding to line the internal cutback areas on top of and adjacent to the girth weld. Each pipe lining is carefully inspected to ensure the lining thickness and surface finish meet the required standard. In order to demonstrate the strength and robust characteristics of Raymond's Centriline process mortar lining, pipes are sometimes subjected to extreme testing. In this test, an 1800 millimeter diameter steel pipe with a 12 millimeter thick cement mortar lining is dropped from a height of 1 meter in slow motion You can see the tremendous stress put on the steel pipe, yet the Raymond centerline process mortar lining remained in place and undamaged. Thousands of laboratory and field tests are performed on each project, measuring mechanical and chemical properties of raw materials, mortar mixtures, and the final cement mortar lining product. Raymond operates within the guidelines of a stringent quality policy as certified by ISO 9001-2001. Put simply, these entail the cleaning of pipes, old and new, followed by the centerline application of cement mortar lining to ensure that the pipes are not only preserved and protected, but also retain optimum hydraulic characteristics. This process could benefit your organization by saving up to 90% of pipe replacement cost, extending the life of pipes, old and new, increasing a pipe's carrying capacity, reducing pipe maintenance costs, stopping pipe leakages, ensuring optimum hydraulic characteristics. As with the case of lining new pipes, the cement mortar lining provides double protection, both physical and chemical. The physical protection is provided by the pipe within a pipe, which is what in effect a cement mortar lining is. This inner pipe seals off the pipe wall from the effluent. The chemical protection is provided by the composition of the mortar. Should any aggressive fluid seep through the lining of the pipe wall, it will have been rendered completely harmless from a corrosion point of view, owing to the free lime in the mortar, which converts the effluent into an alkaline solution. Inert, epoxy or urethane linings cannot offer chemical protection, and sooner or later the effluent will penetrate through pinholes, set up corroding zones at the pipe wall, and cause the lining to flake off. New high-density polyethylene pipes are but fusion welded into strings of up to 500 meters in length. The pipe ends are cleaned and joined together by purpose-built machines which align, heat, and fuse each pipe together to make a new continuous pipeline string. Unlike conventional open-cut replacement of pipelines, pipe bursting eliminates up to 85% of excavation and restoration costs. This results in fewer social costs, such as disruption to traffic, and reduces the final cost of the project. High-tension steel rods are inserted into the existing pipeline from a launching pit. These are pushed through the pipeline until reaching at the receiving pit. At the receiving pit, a bursting blade and expander are attached to the pipe rod. Next, the new polyethylene pipe string is connected. The pipe bursting machine in the launch bit begins to pull the combined blade, expander, and new polyethylene pipeline through the existing path of the old pipeline. The blade cuts through the old pipeline, and the expander clears the path for the new polyethylene pipeline to take its place. The potential of damage to adjacent utilities is minimized, as little new excavation is being done, and the new pipeline is taking up the space of the existing old pipeline. Raymond's automated welding process uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques. These welding systems are versatile and robust, allowing high production rates with a very low repair rate. This results in lower costs per weld. Raymond operates in the toughest environment conditions, on cross-country pipelines, through deserts, and through mountains. The automated all-position welding system features onboard control of all essential welding parameters. The process allows simultaneous pipe welding by two auto weld units attached to one guide ring which is temporarily fixed around the full circumference of the pipe. The system is operated from a user-friendly control pendant. Time taken to set up the machine and begin welding can be less than 5 minutes. The welding system is up to 3 times faster than manual out-of-position welding. In addition to increased deposition rates, the operator efficiency of the system is greatly improved. All work is carried out under strict quality control and safety guidelines. Raymond operates fabrication shops at strategic locations which provide integrated pipeline services. We undertake turnkey projects for the oil, gas and petrochemical industries as well as for the water utilities. Raymond provides project planning and management, engineering, procurement, fabrication and erection along with a host of specialty applications such as lining and coating of pipework. You will find Raymond's project success at refineries, petrochemical plants, at desalination plants, and in water transmission systems. Our mission is to achieve excellence through constant improvement and innovation for our methods and techniques, and the development of our staff by fostering of relationships with clients and suppliers. Our vision is to be the preferred employer, the supplier of choice, and to meet the objectives of our clients.